Most welcome to our channel, Thegsmsolution. This video tutorial is about how you can fix iPhone 11 restart while inserting the charger and no sound too. Such fault mostly shows on force-stopped iPhone. Check this first if you got an problem like that. Go to Setting, go to Sound. While you try to adjust the volume level, it is stuck and selecting tone also fail and no sound. Now here I insert the charger. The iPhone powered off and restart. While the charger is connected, the iPhone fails to power on. If you remove the charger, then power on. This is a strange fault. Why this happen and what the solution is. This video covers all the processes and way of fixing. Keep watching this video till the end. If you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit bell for a new video update notification. If the phone was in powered on condition, then remove battery always first. Remove LCD flex and touch flex carefully. If you made force cause damage touch flex, such fault can be seen on iPhone XR and 11 series. Let's observe the PCB physical status. Looks prior repair sign. Let's separate PCB carefully. Force may break parts. Clean all parts. Let's remove the audio IC carefully. Clean all parts. Must be flat and shine. Now, time to put the audio IC. I use a new audio IC. Put it in the correct position. Rebuild the lower board. Now, time to fix both PCB. Put some flux. Use temperature to 20 to join board. Better use preheater. After the process is complete, then wait for 5 minutes for PCB cool down. Now put it back and check. This fault actually from the audio IC side. While insert charger, the charger sound be performed. At the time audio IC makes sorting, cause the restart problem. The volume bar is normal like and you can hear the sound. After inserting the charger, phone is on normal condition, not powered off, means the problem was fixed. If you have any queries about the video, feel free to comment below. We will respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the GSM Solution and peace out till the next time.